Now, if you guys want to see what's inside a transporter. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Here you go. So this is a Peterbilt cab with an extra long sleeper for the driver. And then this is a generator air conditioning unit. And then let's go inside. So you could go up here, see if it's open, and there's a long couch in there, table, a little kitchenette, desk, computer, some storage areas at the top, mirrors in there. So that would be like a lounge area that you can't ride in these things. You're not allowed to ride. I don't care what they did on in that movie. You can't ride in these, but that's an air-conditioned lounge for everybody who's working on it while they're there, just like a big RV. And then you have all your gauges here to turn everything on. You got upper level, lower levels, and in upper level, in the upper level you've got storage for vehicles, a mirror, all the doors for the cabinets. All these cabinets have doors on them. They're all stored right up there right now. So you've got the race car up there, and then you have engines that are extra engines to store, all the parts, tools, workbench, office supply, hinges, tape, everything here. Of course, your speaker. And all these different springs, which are pre-made, so that way for the different courses, or if you want to adjust anything, you've got all the rear axle gearing right here. So for transmission work, you've got computer for shocks and springs there, timing and scoring monitors right here. So you've got welding equipment, all that kind of stuff. You've got all the radios for racing for the whole team here. You've got your disposable stuff, you know, all the stuff you're going to use, engine degreaser and everything. This is your satellite stuff. Of course, you have a fridge right here with your food and meals and stuff. Your board, and then clothing, jackets for crew, pit crew. And microwave oven, food, all this stuff. And as you can see, a lot of this stuff was probably put away when Dale died, and they haven't really changed it since. So you can see even the food that's here, a lot of this food is in old packaging, just because that's the way it was back then. So, and then out the back you have this ramp, which is also comes down to be the back door of the hauler, and you can see how tall it is. So you have another car right up there. So way up there is another car, and then the back of the hauler becomes a ramp. You also have this the toolbox. And here is just a wall of tiles signed by all kinds of people. They're from fans who would write on the walls. when they would come and visit. And there's just, I don't even know how many there are, but everybody used to write on the walls and leave messages. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.